Right now we have the hood prime, the two side things as well prime. Now we're just waiting for the paint. That's it, and then we're good to go.
The next day.
So we finally got the pieces painted, ready to go. Just gonna wait for a couple of things and wait for my little brother to help me on this install. I'm just gonna have him hold down the side skirt bumper things, and I'm just gonna plug it in, and you'll be there to watch me how I do it. So I'm gonna try doing it alone. The first thing you gotta do is grab one of these mofos and just basically strap it down with one of the Phillips crossheads, and they're self-tapping, so they'll be able to hold it through. But I'm gonna try to do the first two side ones by myself, and then I'll have my little brother help me. So I was able to get one of them in there on the top, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that second one in there on the bottom to hold it sturdy, and then we'll go on the other side and get it through the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it from the bottom now. Go ahead and snap it down here and just put it straight through. As you can see, we still have that little gap here, but that is no worries. Finally got the help of this little guy, and we're gonna get the second one in. We got the first one on right here. Got a pretty good, decent fitment on there, but the little front lip, which they don't make anymore, is the Scorpion V lip. That should fit on perfectly, and it should help it get up and nice and flush. But we'll continue on and get that second portion on right now. The second part is going to be the hardest, which is going to be the Scorpion V lip, and it's going to require him to grab it off from both sides. I got about 4 bolts left, 5 bolts left, and that should be enough to hold it down. So we got it on, and as you can see, it gives it a much more aggressive look if there wasn't a freaking sun in the way.
Pal,
Can you believe that, son?
I could look at it all day.
So we got the wheels on finally. Got our videographer Alexander over there, aka my little brother. We finally put the lip on. Show him how it looks, man.
With the darkness, there's danger.